I'm Megan with WTI, and this little guy right here is the LcFun candle lighter. This little gadget is amazing because it is flameless and rechargeable, and that was the reason I got it. I was tired of my candle lighters running out of fuel when I needed them. There is 2 steps to operating this. There's an on-off button at the bottom of it, and then you just slide the slider forward in order to light it. I really love how easy this is to use. It's flameless. You can use it outdoors as well, which is perfect if you're lighting a fire in the wind. And because it's rechargeable, I never have to worry about running out of fuel again. There is a light indicator on the lighter itself, which will let you know when it needs to be recharged. Just use the little cable provided to recharge it. It's a USB port that's needed. Super easy and simple. So if you love lighting scented candles like I do, you definitely want to get one of these babies. And that's my point of view.